What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. If you're facing the frustrating failed to initialize Steam error in Marvel Rivals, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the best solutions to get your game running smoothly. And hey, if this video helps you out, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Solution 1. Restart Steam and the game. First, let's try restarting Steam. Close Steam completely through the Task Manager. Restart Steam as an administrator. Launch Marvel Rivals to check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Verify game files to ensure there are no corrupted files. Open Steam, then go to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals, then select Properties. Then go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once it's done, relaunch the game. Solution 3. Check for Steam client updates. An outdated Steam client might cause issues. Open Steam, then go to the top left menu and select Check for Updates. Install any available updates, then restart Steam in the game. Solution 4. Clear the Steam cache. Sometimes clearing Steam's cache fixes the issue. Open Steam, then go to Settings. Then go to Downloads and click on Clear Download Cache. Restart Steam and check if the error is resolved. Solution 5. Update drivers and Windows. Make sure your system is up to date. Update your graphics card drivers using NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Check for Windows updates by going to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update. Restart your computer after updating, then try launching the game again. Solution 6. Adjust antivirus or firewall settings. Your security software might be blocking the game. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Add exceptions for Steam and Marvel Rivals. Relaunch the game to see if the error is fixed. Solution 7. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, try reinstalling. Uninstall the game from Steam. Delete any remaining files in the installation directory. Reinstall the game and see if it runs properly. And that's it for today's guide, boys and girls. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.